Tank pressure control. A mixture of inert and petroleum gases exists in the upper part of the ullage space during voyage. This mixture of gases expands and contracts repeatedly due to various factors and causes the pressure in the tank to fluctuate. If the tank pressure rises, the gas in the tank should be released to the atmosphere to prevent excessive positive pressure in the cargo tank and the associated pipes. Before the breather valve on the vent riser activates, open the common vent riser valve to release the pressure up to the specified value in the work instruction, which is instructed for crew on board ship. Ensure that the flame screen at the upper part of the vent riser is in a satisfactory condition. Workers performing maintenance work on the deck should be cautioned before release of the gas. Special care is needed when crude oil with high hydrogen sulfide content is loaded in the tanks. Work should be suspended, and the workers should seek refuge at a safe location. In the absence of relative wind velocity for dispersing the petroleum gases adequately, or if the relative wind is flowing through the accommodation spaces, there is a risk of accumulation of toxic gases on the upper deck or in the accommodation spaces. Confirm that there is no lightning in the vicinity before releasing the gases to the atmosphere. Notify the engine department and do not perform soot flow. To prevent excessive negative pressure in the tank, start IGS and supply inert gas to top up the tank. The need to top up the tank to prevent negative pressure at night should be decided based on the tank pressure in the evening. The decision should be made after considering the drop in air temperature at night and the drop in tank pressure as a result of encountering a squall. If the tank pressure drops regardless of day or night, the tank may need to be topped up once, twice, or even 3 times if necessary. Before the top-up operation, set the tank pressure as required. Change over the selector switch from navigation to inert. Confirm that the deck water seal pump is operating and start the scrubber pump. Line up and open the IG main deck isolating valve and IG fan suction valve. Open the boiler uptake valve and start the top-up operation. When the planned tank pressure is reached, notify the engine department and stop the operation.